Hello guys, if you are getting a connection error in Madden 27 and you are being told that you have lost your connection to PlayStation Network or Xbox Live, which also disconnects you from the EA servers, there are a few things you can try. First, check whether the EA servers are actually working. Open your browser, search for the EA status page, and open the official EA server status website. Find EA Sports Madden NFL 27 and check its current status. If Madden 27 is showing as online, then the issue is most likely on your site. However, if the Madden 27 servers are showing as offline or they are currently under maintenance, there's not much you can do. In that situation, you'll need to wait until EA restores the servers. If the servers are online, the next thing you should try is restarting your internet connection. Turn off your router, unplug it from the power, wait a couple of minutes, then plug it back in and give it some time to reconnect. You can also completely restart Madden 27, and if that doesn't work, restart your console as well. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to restore the connection. For the next fix, go to the settings, then users and accounts, select other and choose restore licenses. Find Madden 27, select it and let the process finish completely. After that, go back into settings, select network, then settings and choose setup internet connection. Select your Wi-Fi network, press the options button and open advanced settings and change DNS settings from automatic to manual. For the primary DNS, enter 1.1.1.1 and for the secondary DNS, enter 1.0.0.1. Save the settings, reconnect to your network and then launch Madden 27 again to see if the connection error has been fixed. If your console is far away from the router, you can also try moving it closer because a stronger Wi-Fi signal can improve your connection. You can also disconnect other devices from your Wi-Fi temporarily, especially if someone is streaming high quality video or downloading a large file. And if possible, use a wired LAN cable. A wired connection can give you better speeds and more importantly, a more stable connection while you are playing online. Finally, check another online game or service on your console. If everything else works normally, but Madden 27 still won't connect, the issue could be specific to Madden 27. But if multiple games and services are having connection problems, then your internet or console network connection is more likely the cause. Once your connection is working again, sign back into PlayStation Network or Xbox Live, launch Madden 27 and you should be able to reconnect to the EA servers and access the online features. And that's how you can troubleshoot the connection error in Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.